Alright, welcome back to another YouTube video. I'm going to show you guys how to properly wash your car, or actually I'm going to show you how we properly wash your car. There's many methods, many techniques of washing your vehicle. We're going to show you how we do it here at Cherry Detailing. We got tire cleaner, foam cannon, Rain-X, tire shine, iron remover, wash mitts, and then we got 2 buckets and a separate bucket for the tires, which total buckets, 3 buckets. So the first step before we wash the body, we're going to wash the dirtiest part of the vehicle, which is the tires and the undercarriage. Cool. So before we wash the body, we want to knock off as much dirt as possible. And we want to make sure all the dirt is off before we even start touching the body, because we don't want to contaminate the body, introduce any swirls or scratches or micro scratches into the paint. So we're going to wash this tire, and this is how we do it at Cherry Detailing.
Once you're done flushing down your tire, you could take your designated tire cleaner and tire brushes and start washing your rim. There is no particular order of how you wash your rim, as long as you try to clean your rim as much as possible. Once your tires are nice and clean, you can take your pressure washer or your hose and flush down your tires. Once all the tires are clean, you can start preparing to wash the exterior of the vehicle.
While we're washing the tires, it's always great to wash out to flush out your tailgate. Tailgates are naturally dirty, so we don't do any aggressive cleaning or any aggressive scrubbing or cleaning in the bed area, only because it's designed for cargo, offloading, loading trash. You know, it's designed to get dirty and scuffed up, so it's best to just rinse it out, so that way you can remove any nasty juices or debris that's in there, and then keeping it clean. To move things a little bit quicker, I got one of my detailers doing the tires. At the same time, I'm going to be flushing down doing the pre-rinse stage on the exterior. Now that we're done pre-rinsing the vehicle, we're going to use our foam cannon. This is a Trinova foam cannon. This foam cannon lasts us for years. This is I think 2 years old already, and it still does an amazing job. But inside this foam cannon is just regular soap with some all-purpose cleaner to help us degrease the grease from the hands or any grease that are on the vehicle. We can use the degreaser will help break it down when we get into the foam or when we get into the hand wash stage. We got 2 buckets to do the exterior. One has our car soap, one has just plain water. This is called the 2 bucket method, and yes, we do it here on the island. So the 2 bucket method is for one reason: to remove any dirt that's stuck inside the mitt. So when you wash the car, you wash your car in straight lines. The reason why we wash it in straight lines is because we want to minimize the micro scratches, the swirls, and all of that. So it's best to always use clean car mitts. Work your way from the top and bottom. If you're really concerned about your mitt and you don't want to introduce any light surface scratches or micro scratches, it's best to use clean mitts. Then you will go over here after you're done going from panel to panel. You go into your plain water bucket, you dunk it inside, rinse it off, and you squeeze it outside the bucket, removing anything that's stuck inside the mitt. Then you bring it back into your car soap bucket, and you dunk it again, and you can keep going on to use the vehicle, or keep going on to wash your vehicle. So when it comes to washing your vehicle here on Guam, there's one thing that you have to consider. Guam's water is very hard, meaning it has a lot of minerals in it, from iron, salt, chlorine, chloramine. It's very acidic, so meaning if you wash your car and you let the water sit on your vehicle and let it air dry, within time of the sun baking it, you'll end up creating these deep etchings on your vehicle, which a clay bar cannot remove anymore. You would have to try to buff and polish it off because it's already etched too deep. And you'll be surprised at how fast and how hard Guam's water can ruin your car paint. So when you're washing your vehicle on Guam, it's best to wash your vehicle in the early morning or late evening when the sun is at its coolest. If you have a garage like what we do, we wash the vehicles undercover. You're fine to wash it within any time of the day. Just remember, even if your vehicle is undercover, the water will still tend to dry a lot faster if you don't have that ceramic coating on your vehicle. So the goal when you're doing an exterior detail on your vehicle, whether it's ceramic coated or not, the goal with Guam's water is you have to constantly keep the car wet. Do not let your car dry. If you let your car dry, air dry, those water spots will etch into the paint or the ceramic coating, causing permanent water spot damage. And in order to remove it, you would have to buff and polish it off. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and keep watching until the end. Here at Cherry Detailing, we're all about preserving the life of the vehicle. So every time you come to us and get an exterior detail, we're gonna give the vehicle a wax. It's included in our package, but you can always upgrade it to something stronger like System X Renew, which gives up to 9 months of protection. Ceramic wax, paste wax, synthetic wax are all waxes. They provide the same method of protection, or they provide the same protection qualities, but some just last longer than others, some are easier applied than others, so it really depends on the market of what you purchase. The car is nice and rinsed down. It's clean. Now we gotta dry it off. You don't need no fancy car drying tool or equipment. All you need, and what we use, is a leaf blower. It's called Turbo Power Jet from Home Depot. So if you're looking for something to help dry your car,
That's how strong it is?
well, if you're looking for something to help blow the water off your vehicle, just get a regular leaf blower or use the other end of your vacuum. Just make sure the vacuum hose is clean. Okay, once the vehicle has been properly blowed down, we're going to use a drying towel. We typically use only one drying towel because, as you see, the car is practically dry, so you don't have to use too many towels to dry your car. The purpose of this waffle weave microfiber is to dry your car. It's designed to soak up a lot of water, so I'm going to get started and try to dry the car down. And we get a lot of questions, is door jambs included in our exterior detail? And the answer is yes. The door jambs are included. We typically like to wipe them down last because they also tend to have some dirt in there, so we don't want to use our original drying towel to wipe the door jambs and then take the dirty drying towel that has dirt from the door jambs onto the paint and causing scratches. Our job here at Cherry Detailing is to give you amazing results, quality detailing. Our goal is to wash your car as safely and effective as possible. I hope you find this video helpful. We did a whole rundown of how we perform an exterior detail on all our customers' cars. So if you have any questions about washing your car, you can also give us a call. If you want to schedule an exterior detail, you can give us a call. Click the link down below, head over to our website, and let everyone know that Cherry Detailing is the #1 auto detailer and ceramic coating specialist here on the island.